All right, so this is going to be a very quick walkthrough CopyCop and how you can get started with it. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to get yourself an account. So when you head over to copycopai.com, you should be able to create an account. You get to play with 2,000 words, right? All you just need to do is click on any of the buttons that you find on the home page right here. Okay, now once you're done, you've created an account, you've verified your account. Just go ahead and click on sign in, okay, and you will be able to access your dashboard. All right, so this is inside the dashboard, and right here these are the menus that you can see here. So here is the dashboard. You're going to see the number of words that you've used, and if you are capped, you should also see that here, and of course other things that you can basically what's going on in your account. That's what you find here. Then there is the part of your membership, your plan. All right, so your membership plan, you should find it right here. Okay, now the next thing, which is what you're going to be making use of most of the times, is the COPs and the AI chart. All right, now the COPs are already pre-trained COPs or bots for you, okay, that you can use for your writing. And right here we have different COPs available. Now what we do here is to ensure that our copies, they are compliant. All right, so we have the compliant CopyCop. Okay, so when you click into it, you will be required to paste in your copy. No matter how you get your copies written, it's important that you bring them on here to confirm if they are compliant. All right, now right here I have with me a copy. All right, so I'm just going to paste it here. So I have my copy already pasted there. I'm going to just type in what this copy is about. What product am I trying to promote? Okay, so I'm trying to promote a digital product. Okay. Of course, the language, you can feel that. You can basically leave every other thing the way they are and click on the button right there. Okay, so now this compliant CopyCop is going to basically run through your copy and tell you what is wrong. Okay, so right, say the Facebook ad copies appears to be compliant with Facebook advertising policies. There are no phrases, where sentences, and if there are issues with it, of course it's going to come on and tell you the issues and how to actually have those issues fixed. All right, so this is how you make use of this COP itself. All right, now there are other COPs, right? There is the converting copy, or the creative story ad, or you have a copy and you want it to be critiqued. Now we'll be adding more of different COPs that you can use for your own writing. Okay, you basically just have to click into that COP that you want to use, fill in the required details right here, and then hit the button. Any of the COPs that you choose to make use of, that is how you make use of them. Like, it's not really complicated to make use of. Okay, and you can see that there are descriptions there. Okay, so for instance, you want to find out who your ideal buyer is. How can you know who your ideal buyer is? You can make use of this COP. Right now, what about if you want to do freestyling? You want to shout, you want to have a conversation, right? That's where you now use the AI chat, all right, or the COP chat. And here you can basically ask any questions that you want. So you can say hello. Right now, this bot itself, we are training this bot to be your marketing consultant. Okay, so anything around marketing, anything around advertising, anything that's going to help you become better at making your business work better for you, you can ask those questions and you will get answers, right? So for instance, we can say, okay, I need a sales letter for my skin care serum. Okay, so now this is just an instruction. Okay, and it's gonna try and create something for you, but you have to understand that you still need to dig in and make it even give you better result, right? So The more questions that you ask, all right, the more detail you can provide it, the better will be the response that you get. Now we are training you to become really, really advanced to help you really dial into, the best results that it can provide you. Okay. But until we get to that point, all you just have to do is make sure that you're being specific with the questions that you ask, and you will be able to get response. So here you can see it's been able to write something here for me. Now I can still go ahead and say, oh, can you expand on this part? Can you basically ask, be conversational, and you'll be able to get what you want from it. All right. So those are two parts that you are going to be making use of the most time. And there is the document part. So if you have documents that you're saving, and of course right here you can decide to download or export your conversations with the bots. And there is the affiliate part right here, where you can decide to share, and you get 30% recurring income for yourself. All right, all you just need to do is copy this, right? Copy this, and you will be able to get people referred and get started. All right, the next thing here is basically all the transactions that you have. You can find them under transactions, right? And your account settings, this is where you can upload an avatar, change your password, any other detail that you want to change, you can have them done right here. So that's just a basic walkthrough. That's basically it with CopyCop, right? We'll be adding more cops as we go along, and of course we are still training the bot even to become more efficient and more productive. All right, so that's it. If you have questions, of course the community is there for you to make use of and ask your questions.